In this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of Notion AI on import. You're going to learn how to use custom autofill, AI summary, AI keywords, and AI translation so that when you import data into Notion, you can quickly gain insights and make your data more useful. For this scenario, we're going to say that we're a digital nomad group and we're reaching out to contacts to get them to join our subscription, to meet with other like-minded people. We have the full name, the job title, their hobbies, a quick description of themselves, date of birth, phone, their email, and then to take advantage of Notion's translation AI capabilities, we also had them say what is their favorite saying in Spanish, and we're going to translate that to English. For importing data into Notion, you can either use Space Loader, which is a tool that we designed to drastically improve the import process for Notion, or you can use the native merge with CSV feature. I'm now going to go ahead and import the data, and then let's take a look at Notion's AI capabilities. Okay, now that the data is uploaded, it's time to look at the different types of AI properties that you can take advantage of. To create a Notion AI property, you come to the three circles, select properties, then select new property. If you select text, and then you select AI autofill, and then select an option, you can see the 4 different AI options you have in Notion. First is going to be summary, which uses the properties that you have on that record to create a quick summary that it believes that's relevant for you. Translate allows you to translate languages. For example, something from Spanish to English. Key info basically allows you to tag. And then custom autofill allows you to create a custom prompt to give to Notion AI. Let's first start off with AI keywords, which is going to allow us to set tags for these contacts. I'm going to select edit, and then select autofill all properties. Now, when you first import data, it can take a little bit. So you're going to have to manually do it just for the column. So depending on the number of records that you have, going to go through and it gives you a little progress bar. Okay. And now that all the AI keywords have been filled in, because I have a setting on for all the AI properties called AI autofill, it triggered the others. So most scenarios, you just need to do the AI autofill for one column, and then the rest of your AI will start to fire. You can see here, we have the option for the AI keywords to generate new options. So the AI automatically looked at things like job title and hobbies to automatically create these. The AI keywords is a big benefit because it allows us to do groupings based on these tags that were automatically associated. So if we come here to the 3 circles and hit group and then do AI keywords, we can group and then you can hide or show certain types of groups. And you can see them here grouped by that keyword. Another thing you can do with AI keywords, besides grouping, is you can utilize filters to only show certain records that have that tag. So it's like AI keywords. And let's say that we want to only show records that have a few of these tags and not show the rest. So it's gone ahead and put our list down from 20 to 6. Next up, we have AI translation. If you go ahead and click on AI translation, you can choose exactly which property you want to translate. So in this example, you're translating it to English. If you wanted to convert it to Korean, you could easily do that. I'm going to do autofill. And then there you go. We've converted all the Spanish sayings to Korean. The AI summary property type is pretty simple. Basically just looks at all of the properties that are associated with the record and puts them together to give you a quick summary. So we can see here, it says Garrett Vega is a marketing consultant. It gives the birth date, his hobbies, his favorite Spanish saying, and then his contact information below. Last but not least, the custom autofill AI type allows you to give a custom prompt to Notion AI. So for example, for this one named age, in the custom autofill, I gave it based on the date of birth, how many years and month old is this contact? You can see it's looking at that June 17th, 1978 date to give us back 45 years and 4 months. And then another example of what you can do with custom autofill is I prompted Notion AI to create a introduction email to this individual. So it said, create a personal email that will be sent to the digital nomad contact, invite them to our community, use their information in the database, and finish off the email with best bet. So there you go. Use all the information we got to create a personalized email that we can simply come up here and select copy to clipboard and then put it into our email and send off. So those are the different types of ways that you can use AI on import utilizing the Notion database properties. Also know that if you open up a record, you can also click into the page contents, select /, type in AI, select see more, and then you can ask AI anything. So for example, we could create a table, and we're going to say, put all of the properties related to this contact in a table. Then you could easily copy this and put into your email or do whatever you want with it. Another thing we could do is do /AI again, do see more. You could make a flowchart, but it's not really relevant in this scenario because we don't really have a process we're following here. But let's say we actually want to brainstorm ideas, and we can brainstorm ideas on how to make this person a client. Go ahead and send it and then see what it comes up with. And there you go. There's a list. So as you can see, there are so many ways that you can use Notion AI on import. Over the years, the list will continue to grow as Notion is drastically improving their AI capabilities. I hope this video inspires you to be using AI more often in your business and professional life. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more Notion content in the future.